I'm Kevin Phillips and you're watching Mariners TV.
So Dylan, that was going to be an excellent day for everyone concerned.
Yeah, brilliant results. Obviously getting the early goals, unbelievable strikes, has got us off to a good start, and obviously changes games goals, so we went on to win by a big scoreline.
The crowd right behind with those 2 goals early on must really helped as well.
Yeah, the crowd were unbelievable. They were stuck with us from the first minute. Obviously we give them something to cheer about, scoring 2 goals early on. Obviously momentum went through the match and we won by 6.
Yourself, you got the 3rd goal, that's been really pleasing for you?
Yeah, I'm happy obviously to score in a big match like that, and I'm suspended for 2 games now I think so I'm glad to go out and sort of a high.
In the corner routine, was there anything you worked on? Was it just about getting
Graham and Lee have been working on the corners for ages, so we're well drilled for the corners, and it'll be a fell to me and I finished it.
Brilliant, obviously 6-1 is a real statement, isn't it, for a quarter?
Yeah, it's a real statement, but as I say, they were worldly strikes, so on another day it couldn't have been a high scoreline, but we're favourites and we know there's pressure on us really, because everyone expecting us to win, but it's not as easy as that. You've got to turn up.
And over 3,000 today, what was it like to play in front of them?
Yeah, it's unbelievable. Like, obviously the corner what sings all the songs, and that was absolutely brilliant. Really enjoyed playing in front of them.
See, for this sort of level you wouldn't expect it, would you?
No, as I say, like, we get massive, the crowds really get us much bigger than the Blives and the Gatesheads. So it's unbelievable. Everyone's talking about South Shields and how much fans they get and what's happening with the club and stuff. It's really good to be part of.
And when you joined the club, could you have imagined anything like this?
No, not at all. Like, obviously I knew the gates were quite big, but not this big, so it's unbelievable to play out there. It's a real pleasure.
Obviously a 2-legged semi-final now, so we'll get another away trip as well. How much looking forward to that one?
Yeah, it'll be good. Have another away trip with the lads, and hopefully we'll have another night out to stay over. Yeah, it'll be really good.
But just find obviously you're missing the next couple of games, but is that going to be a chance for you to sort of recharge your batteries and come back strong again?
I'm alright, to be fair. Like, I'm devastated I'm missing the 2 games, but I don't really need a rest really, but as I say, I'll have to take the rest and I'll be ready for when my suspension's over.